So we finished up the fender. Gotta take it in the sun, see how it looks, but fender's done, bumper's done. Now are you happy they're done? So all of it's about to go back on the car. I'm about to take it out in the sun, see how it looks. Looks alright. Fuck it, let's do it on the car. Yeah. You can definitely tell a difference, but
it's really not too bad though. I mean,
looks a whole lot better than it did. Just doesn't look as glossy, but I can probably figure out a way to fix that.
Probably redo this later, different day or something. But for now, it looks pretty good. It's rough as fuck right here.
Bro, it looks so weird being gray. But looks better than it did. So fuck it, I'll take it. So I had to throw one more coat of clear coat because it wasn't getting that glossy finish that I was wanting. So I just do another clear coat on it. I'm gonna let that dry and then probably do one more and see how it ends up. See if it gets more of that glossy look. Randall's eating his food.
Yeah.
Bro, you eating clear coat right now.
It's all good.
Sleep.
Tastes good.
So we're gonna see how that comes out and then go from there. Put a super thick one. Just got that one line right there. Just gotta sand it and it'll be straight. But it looks dead on now. The rest of the car's dirty as hell. But now it looks dead on. It's drying, but just had to put a thick coat. Oof. So we're still waiting on that to dry. It looks a little different, but it's all one color again. Oh my god damn. That shit's weird. Bro, that's how we paint it black again.
Paint the whole car black.
Paint the whole car black. Bro, that's wild. Bro, I can ride around not looking straight ratchet no more.
Not looking sus no more.
Yeah. Bro, look how much air I've lost in this fucking room. Bro, that looks so much better. Holy shit. How long do you think I should let that clear coat dry?
I don't even know how long it's been dry.
But yes, the car is all back one color. I can finally take pictures of it and not be ashamed. Damn. Now I just gotta get a grill and that's it, and then we're good. I ordered the Y-pipe, so.
Bro, I know what you need.
What?
Some air in that tire.
Some air. That's slick. Alright, so this is gonna be the end of this video. Got it all color matched.
Paint match, no cap.
Paint match, yeah. I just gotta get a grill and then it's done. And she's back. I got the Y-pipe coming in, then I gotta get the back of the exhaust, and I'm getting the exhaust tuck. And then I'm getting some different rims on it, maybe, I don't know.
We trading rims?
We need to, so I can put some damn 19s on here. But we just gotta figure out. But that's gonna be the end of this video. But it's all good to go. It's back. It's ready. I just gotta get that Y-pipe, bro. But yeah, that's the end of the video. So like, comment, subscribe. I got some Pokemon content incoming. So I'll see y'all.